Today I'll draw a car in a very simple way. Let's have some fun and practice drawing. First, I'll draw the main shape of the car with a pencil. I'll start by drawing a horizontal line on the bottom. It will be the ground. Next, I'll draw two circles above the ground. After, I'll draw a rectangle above the ground so that the circles stay inside. Then I'll draw a pyramid on top of the rectangle. Cool! Our drawing already looks like a car. Next, I'll smooth all the edges with curved lines. Then I'll draw the rocker and bumper via a horizontal line. Next, I'll draw doors and handles. Now I'll add windows. And then I'll draw the front and back lights. Lastly, I'll draw the tires. Awesome! The contour is ready. Now, let's outline it with a marker. I'll start from the top and go to the bottom so I do not smear the marker lines. It's totally fine if marker lines are not always the same as the pencil lines. Just go slow, and if you need to, you can pause the video and take your time to make your drawing look awesome. Also, I will color tires and handles with my black marker. Done! Awesome! Let's allow the marker lines to dry for several seconds. Okay, now I think that we can erase all the pencil lines that we don't need anymore. It's coloring time! Hooray! I love red color, so my car will be red, but you can color it as you want. Then I will color yellow the front lights and orange the back lights. Next, I will color the windows blue. Then I'll color the rocker, bumper, and the cups of the wheels gray. And I'll color the ground a little bit gray too. Great! You've got such a beautiful drawing and had so much fun! Please like and subscribe before checking other tutorials on this channel. See you next time!